why you should grow a sycamore: easiness, availability and fun. Sycamores are everywhere. The seedlings are in your garden, in the park, anywhere you look. A lot of people think these beautiful plants are weeds, but weeds are just plants that grow where you don't want them to. I'm now going to show you how to pot one of these up so that you can keep it for a long time. So here I've got a pot filled a little bit with compost, and we've got the sycamore here. So what we're going to do is, you can use any kind of shovel. Here I've got a fork, and you just push it down as far as it'll go and just gently take it up. Make sure that you don't, and then you just place it into the pot gently and pat it down, and that will probably be there for life. If you don't have a normal pot, then you can use anything from a yoghurt pot to the bottom cut off of a fizzy pop bottle. Just make sure that you poke some holes in the bottom for drainage. When it first starts to grow, the sycamore will have this long red stem and two smooth long leaves. When it's a bit more pronounced, then it will have those two smaller leaves in the middle. So from this tiny seedling, if you hold on to it and take care of it, in a couple of years you can have something as fabulous as this wonderful tree. So have fun and goodbye.